Hello, everyone. If learning Chinese grammar feels a bit overwhelming, take a breath. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about your daily routines, the things you do every single day, using a pattern that is simple and useful. This diagram shows a pattern that makes Mandarin very approachable. It's just two pieces snapping together, 我, meaning I, and your action. The 我 stays exactly the same, while you swap out the action verb to describe whatever you're doing. Focusing on this one pattern allows you to start building sentences immediately, without having to worry about complicated grammar rules or charts. Let's start the morning. If you wake up at 7 a.m., you put 我 in front of the action for waking up. 我7点起床. I wake up at 7. After waking up, the next step is brushing your teeth. That is 我刷牙. Then you wash your face. 我洗脸. Now it's your turn. Give it a try and say it out loud. 我洗脸. By matching those three verbs to the word 我, you have already described your entire morning routine in a new language. Now you're probably hungry. To say you eat breakfast, you use 我吃早饭. For example, if you are eating bread and eggs, you say 我吃面包和鸡蛋. Just be careful not to eat too much, or you'll slow down your whole morning. With breakfast done, it's time to leave the house. You can say 我去学校 to say I go to school, or 我去上班 if you are heading to work. Commutes branch out from 我. Say 我走路 to walk, 我开车 to drive, or 我坐车 to take a car. To avoid traffic, say 我坐飞船 to take a spaceship. Expensive, but it works. Whether walking or taking a rocket, the way you build the sentence stays exactly the same. Once you arrive at school, you study. 我学习. Since you are practicing right now, proudly tell people 我说中文. I speak Chinese. If class gets a little boring, you might do this. 我睡觉. I sleep. But maybe try to stay awake for the lesson. This shows your lunch vocabulary. You can say 我吃米饭 for I eat rice, and 我吃鸡肉 for I eat chicken. To complete the meal, you also drink water. 我喝水. Putting these simple pairs together allows you to talk through your day clearly. You don't need advanced grammar to make yourself understood. In the afternoon, it's time to head back. 我回家. I return home. Once you are home, you can relax by watching TV. 我看电视. Or by reading a book. 我看书. You might also play games. 我玩游戏. Just remember not to play too many. As the night begins, you eat dinner. 我吃晚饭. To finish the night routine, you brush your teeth again. 我刷牙. And finally go to sleep. 我睡觉. This 24-hour clock shows that your entire day has come full circle. From the moment you wake up to eating, traveling, learning, and finally sleeping, every single step uses the exact same 我 plus action structure. Let's do a quick review sprint. In the morning, 我起床, 我刷牙, 我洗脸. During the day, 我吃早饭, 我学习, 我说中文. And at night, 我吃晚饭, 我睡觉. Notice how much you've learned to say in just a few minutes by focusing on that one simple pattern. Now we want to know about your routine. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up and what do you eat? Practicing for just a few minutes every day makes a huge difference over time. Thank you for practicing with us today, and 再见.